Welcome, kings and queens, to my channel, Danny Speaks. Here, we're going to talk about everything. Let's go. Hi, it's Danny Speaks. Now, I'm here because I want to unbox what I have bought from Amazon and Walmart for the channels. Now, I'm using a tripod that I will link below that I like. However, you know, it's a great stand, great lighting. You have to play with it a little bit, but I'm gonna do an unboxing, unbagging today. So this is the first box, right? And it says it came from Walmart. So let's see what it is. Okay, kind of, it has another box. It's baby powder. Woohoo! So, next we have, it's wrapped up. Ugh, this is so hard. Why is it wrapped up like this? This is weird. Okay, I'm just gonna have to cut it. I'm gonna have to cut it because it's sticking to my fingers and everything. It was one thing in there, wrapped up. So let's see what it is. And our scissors have disappeared, which isn't good because I need it apparently for this thing that's wrapped up like it's $1 million worth. Look how that's wrapped up. Look at that. Gotta pull it. Finally. Now let's see what it is. This is the first spray. So yes, that's great. I see why it's wrapped up. Maybe it stinks. So we're gonna put it back in this bag and save it for later, another video. Let's see, here's another one. Let's see what's in here. It's a little wet. This is my oil that I ordered. This is gonna be our Daddy Speaks. Danny with 2 eyes speaks. Okay, so then we have another bag. Okay, this is Care. And then, let's see. So, let's see what's in here. I'm tearing it open as you guys can see. Oh, this is Wild Growth. And this is Wild Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Next, we're moving on to the hairy things.
I wanna try that.
Yeah, we're gonna try it now.
Oh.
We got another box here. Okay, come on. You want to sit right here? It's fine. Okay. Daniel wants to get on here. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's see what's in this box.
I clean adopting.
Yeah, let's see what's in here. This is for one of the videos. Ooh. We gotta tear it open. Tear it open. Let's see, what is this? Oh, don't lose your cool game. I thought this would be cool for the parents versus kids on Moody Family. So we're gonna play that. Oh, this is another box. And then we have Family Feud with Steve Harvey. So we're gonna have to have another family, and we're gonna go against them on the Moody Family. Come here, Risha. You wanna say hi too? Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. And then I have roll-ups. Now, we have the zapping game. See it? Wait, there we go. We have the zapping game. I paid a little cheaper. So this is in a different language. However, it works the same. We have powder still. And then we have this, which is Bean Boozled. We're going to play this game as a family.
It was Steve.
And then, like Daniel said, what's these? We have different beans for it as well.
Oh, that candy?
It's beans. So some of them nasty, some of them good. So we're gonna play that on the channel as well. So Moody Family and Danny Speaks. We'll leave both below. Hold on, there's another thing. I don't know what's in here though. Like, let me show you. That's how. Wait, let me see it. Wait, see that's how it looks right there. And it just keeps coming out and out. I think I'm gonna try this at Danny Speaks. This is gonna be I'm trying to lose weight, y'all. I'm gonna try that Chloe thing. I'm gonna try it all on Danny Speaks. So here you go. Have a great day. Peace.